3, 2, 1.
Embrace the
Hello.
master's
Hello.
truth.
Hello.
Feel the shadows.
Considering the fact that I VC'd at some point, well, that would be
Yeah.
kind of nice.
Yeah, that really was sad. Just ouchie time for me.
Oh no, I have crushing doubt about this. Nah. the puns are starting.
Yes.
Now he has a crush on you.
He's shooting over there.
Yeah, I see it. I mirrored did not. People got hit.
I didn't run fast enough.
Hold on, little warlock. Hold on.
Actually, you were far away from me, so I didn't cleave you. That's stuff for the healers, I guess.
Alright, we're getting the Tempest thingy effect.
Tempest
soon.
Kala.
And power relic now.
This trade.
Keep everyone above 25%
The end of your pitiful.
and clear Dark Heralds as good as you can.
Grabbing this one.
He's shooting right at
Keep
us.
the moon uninterrupted. Let the moon finish his cast first.
I ran to the wrong one.
Okay, that's one.
Good. Next, keep the triangle uninterrupted.
I'm here to save ya.
Yeah.
And let the next one finish off.
That's kind of lovely.
That was pretty decent.
Now on heroic those hats, they would also debuff us with a little debuff that increases the damage done. by
So
the
you do
next
need
ones.
them staggered.
Yep.
Which is part of the reason why I want them staggered now.
So I could have waited a few seconds.
Alright, incoming.
That's the shield.
Yep.
Oh, that may...
Keep moon uninterrupted.
We can cleave on one, apparently.
Yeah.
Oh.
I believe that was two. Exploding.
Come on, heals. Oh, what? Come on.
Get Turkey back up.
Great.
Hey.
Yes.
Okay, I believe
And
this guy-
start DPSing on small guy.
Remember, ignoring mechanics is bad.
Kind of ran blindly.
We're gonna get a shield again soon.
As we should
have
bring him
aggro.
there as well.
Yeah, he's activating it.
And bringing the big guy as
Shield.
well to make it
Nice,
easier.
so he can cleave. And GPS the Visage from beyond. It needs to get to 0 before it finishes this cast.
Wow, that was
What's that?
quick.
It stays for 3 minutes, but we need it to 0.
I'm getting hit by the shit.
Not much we can do really right now.
Alright, get skinny guy over to the next, to the orb.
So
Or the
again, I'm
orb is
DPSing him, but after I died, they just could not get the aggro back.
Yeah, Emerkin seems to have aggro.
They
him
would,
to
they
the
would have to
next.
stop.
Bring
You
him to
have
the
to stop
next.
healing.
You have to move him
Also
to the
five
next
stacks.
thing before he phases.
Also DPS the Visage from beyond.
Which thing?
Either of the other two doesn't matter much. It just has to get away from that.
I think he stopped following me
Yeah.
now.
It's on Leo now.
Take him away. Whoever has him, take him.
Leo has aggro.
Counting.
Emerkin has aggro. Yeah, you have to long range his casts.
Just everyone run the fuck away from him and move to another.
Okay, he's moving.
Okay, that should be enough. I think he's closer to the crown.
Hopefully.
Yeah, that's fine.
If not, yeah, there we go.
He is at, I think, the Tempest Caller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get ready for some healing cooldowns in there as well.
You might want to pop.
Bitch.
Start dispelling Dark Heralds of people. He's activating it. Yeah, Tempest Caller.
Pop defensives as well, if you have.
Screams will echo through his halls.
And also DPS the Visage from Beyond. And now get Zaxash to the stone.
Okay, where the big fat guy is.
Yeah, near the big fat guy.
I'm gonna move him slightly though. Hope he won't cleave too much.
Cerebral Assault.
Ow.
So try to get him over here. American, that means you're going to have to move him.
I'm on my way.
In the meantime, stop DPS on the small guy while he's moving. Get the Visage from Beyond down as well.
Something.
That thing needs to die. It disappeared, nice. Alright, they're both in position. Get the big fat guy down first.
And
And
remember
do
one.
not
Task-
DPS the thin guy until the effect is gone.
Tremble before his
Okay, heal everyone
focus
up.
on the focus on the big guy.
Yeah,
behold.
We want
we
to shoot
don't
gun
get
as fast
any
as
healing
possible.
until his shield is gone.
Aye.
Shield is gone, nice.
Wow. That was fast.
Alright, get small guy up to that point as well.
Ooh.
Ooh, heal everyone
Yeah,
up.
that was two.
Stop with getting people up to that point.
Okay, I'm gonna move the big guy again away. Focus on the thin guy.
Oh, get everyone up before getting him to 25%.
Everybody's up pretty much, except for me.
All will be consumed.
Alright, time to DPS.
Three stacks.
Screams will
Oh, yeah,
echo
I'm coming.
Cerebral Assault, careful.
From that super.
DPS Visage from Beyond as well.
Okay, and it's
Very
gone.
nice.
Wow. That was good.
Alright, now they have to die within 20-ish seconds of each other.
Yeah, let's bring them together actually.
Yeah, so we can, if we can cleave, that would be nice.
There we go. Ooh.
Time warp by the way, or?
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, right.
I mean, every little bit helps.
Well, that's definitely gonna be easier. Wait, what is... Oh, the thread thingy. Trying to stop AoEing for now. Annie, apparently you have the other guy as well on you.
Yes, I just AoE'd. Basically, that's all I did.
Alright, they're about both dead.
They are.
When you need to use them.
2,
You can
pick
keep
them
them
already.
until you need them.
Pay the price for your defiance.
And they each have different cooldowns. The Void Stone has a 1-minute cooldown.
His eyes behold every truth, every
I guess I just activate it whenever there's a lot of puddles and then just run through the puddles.
Yeah, and when we're facing is a great timing to clear puddles.
Okay.
Speaking of puddles, there was one.
Yep,
Let's see, gifts.
there is Obscurity. In this phase, that's going to make our play smaller and counter space.
Oh, I see all of that shit.
That's the beams incoming. Get
Not ideal,
smacked
but-
by one at once. By one at a time.
Oh, why did he bring... Oh, nah.
I don't know why it went to you, let's be honest.
Well, because the stacks switched. Can we use the color?
Where
Thank
is
you.
it? Oh,
Sweet, I got 6 FPS.
nice.
Sounds like fun. Actually, I should move him a little bit. Wah. Color?
Nope, cooldown.
Okay. We'll have to do it on 2 then.
I can pick it up now. Got it.
Yeah, but don't use it now.
Yeah, I know. Yell at me when you want it.
Your time is running out.
Come on, beam, slap me faster. Punch me, daddy, faster. Nope. Okay.
Wait, I think people are running through the puddles.
Yep, definitely.
His health just hasn't gone down in a while.
Yeah, 2
Yeah,
puddles.
them are
so
going up now.
definitely.
Ooh, don't be in that graphic.
Oh wow, that's not much room. Oi, don't root me.
I think I'm gonna DC it again.
Yeah, I DC'd again, but I'm on my way in.
Tempest color, I guess? Or?
If you blink, you blink.
Use it. There we
It
go.
is done.
Go, bye.
Going up.
Yeah,
I'm
use the
also
void
lagging.
stone and clear some puddles.
Can't pick it up.
Okay, yeah, you can't pick it up for 1 minute then.
And somebody stepped into a puddle as well.
Yeah, it was
Shoot
me.
the boss.
I actually rest in one.
That's some great.
Yeah, he DC'd, so he couldn't really aim anyway, so...
This stone is ready. Yep, there we go.
Yeah, use it whenever to clear some of that. Thank you. Remember, there's no healing now.
Yeah, so those drop some defensives. Oh, don't be in that. It's
No,
gonna kill you. Counting.
I'm gonna run back in and grab the collar.
Okay, small shits. It's pretty much the same as in
Yeah,
Shrine of the Storm.
keep the ads alive.
How long?
Do not kill them.
They were split into small shits.
Yeah, we don't want that. We want those 2 ads and the Undying Guardian to all die from the collar.
Oh my, that's not good.
Use the color now, I guess? Or?
Yeah,
Do it.
using it.
Perfect.
That's...
I'll try to. Yeah, I'll try to stay on the collar approximately, so I can pick it up when it ends. Also, as long as the collar is active, we deal 50% less damage. That may be nice to know for people.
I think we the other sides also apparently.
All right, keep the ads alive.
Oh fucking. Fucking monstrosity over there.
Oh god, there's a puddle on the Tempest collar.
We'll need somebody to clear those soon.
Yeah, if we can get the Void Stone up soon, then that would be nice.
Don't attack the big cat. Don't attack it. That cat's a bitch.
Thank you. Alright, I got the collar, yell at me when you want it.
Do it.
Oh, blah, blah, blah. I'm running into that. Come here, little ad.
Ooh, ooh.
Ooh.
That was close.
Oh, god damn it. Collar's in a puddle again.
Well, you can
You,
still...
uu'nat. I may be able to grab it from the outside now. He's phasing.
Every dream of giving falls.
Just stun
You
the-
Can you use the
around
collar
if it's
again?
possible.
No. I
No,
can't
no,
pick
no.
it up yet.
Don't attack the big gap.
Get the smaller ones. Fun.
Don't attack the...
Don't attack any of
stop.
the heads.
Stop.
Alright, I may just grab it.
The Dark Lord.
There we go.
The
Yay.
Void Stone's deep in the black stuff, so.
What percent is Harrow?
30.
Right now.
Okay.
Okay.
I was wondering. Just
Let's just go.
With the collar up, and it's a disadvantage.
oh,
something.
touchy on me.
Yeah, color's down now.
Romanov is a murder farm over there.
Remember to stack up when you get a torment.
Yeah.
Try not to murder each other. And yeah, stack up when you get the buff that you have to siphon help from people. Alright, I got a Tempest Collar again.
Give it a few seconds. At this low, we can use it.
Can people do this one on LFR? I'm just wondering.
But they need some guidance.
So much to remember.
To be fair, most of the mechanics are not there even, or they are just
Yeah.
negligible.
Oh, well.
Is it possible to get the Void Stone from the shit or...
Ow! Somebody rooted me.
No.
Jeez.
It's a long way back.
Bastards.
Yeah, then we're going to have to not step in the puddles. That
Hopefully.
is really important.
What happens if you win the black ship? Do you die or?
It's
It
a
deals
shit ton
damage.
of damage.
Damage, yeah.
Can
Normally-
we use the color?
It's in a black puddle.
Ah, it's too late now.
Restored.
So yeah, I think we're going to have to power through now. At least we're going to have to attempt to.
Almighty, the Dark Lord laughs at you.
Oh.
Oh, hello.
Get out of the back stuff.
Gonna move him slightly.
Fun times.
Oh, somebody did.
Did American again?
And somebody's back.
You guys have to stack up with that.
Oh my god. I got 4 FPS.
Dead.
I wish I was kidding.
Do we actually have another rest?
We have one.
One.
Yeah, we have rest.
I would, just so we can get this done.
What do we want?
I don't know, I don't
Somebody-
care.
I'm on,
Somebody
I'm on
stepped.
my way in if you need heal.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
Oh
alive.
my lord. Yes, you are. You are. Very much so.
I may be not alive for long.
Oh gosh.
Oh, hi.
It's quite a few mobs.
Yeah. As long as we
That's
don't step in black shit, we should have him 2 million HP.
Yeah, just plow forward on him.
And avoid black shit at all cost.
Oh, someone
Oh,
just
hello.
stepped in one. Come on, guys.
Oh, come on, don't do that!
At all cost.
2%.
Oh god, please.
3%, 2%.
Alright,
we go.
okay.
A bit messy, but
Messy, but...
Wait a
Yes.
minute.
Thank you for my 60 gold.